Model, 66-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI 125PS 350 L4H1 rear-wheel drive, tipper Ulez compliant bargain. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 157,650. MOT, the 30th of October 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: engine runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, tipper unit works perfectly. Grin. EU status: Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.